Good morning, guys. Morning. Morning, my neighbors. Morning, my neighbors. Right, guys. Mr. K's Travel Club, guys. Mr. K's Travel Club. This is Mr. K's Travel Club YouTube channel. Mr. K's Travel Club YouTube channel. You guys can go to Mr. K's Travel Club YouTube channel. I know you are on our TikTok account, but you can always go to our YouTube channel, Mr. K's Travel Club. Alright, guys, we have moved out from where the place where we were. We are now in this section. Alright, in this section. That's where we are. This place is such a beautiful place. There's another section of Bangkok that they don't show you. You see there used to be a swimming pool there. Used to be a very big pool there, but now they've drained out the water. They're saying they're busy fixing the pool. I'm not sure how long it will take, but then it's such a beautiful area. When we were here before, in 2012, we were staying not in that building, but on that building there, that one there. We're staying there. It was such a beautiful place. We used to come, there is also a shower there when you come out from the pool and so forth. Right. So if you look at this place, there's another side of Bangkok that they don't show you on TV, on YouTube and stuff like that. So this is just a glimpse of for you guys to see how Bangkok looks like. It's such a tiny apartment, but it's such a beautiful place. We've got the fence, we've got a washing machine there. You can open here and do your washing there. All right, can open and do your washing there. So it's such a beautiful place. And this is the apartment, guys. This is my daughter's room. My kids' room. They are sleeping here because we booked 2 apartments for them in order for them to be able to have a spacious place for themselves, right? As you can see here, that's my daughter. She's sitting there relaxed. They've got their own TV there. You know, it's all mixed up, but it's, you know, these are kids. You know, understand? And there is also some nice lovey-dovey flowers here. You know, lovey-dovey flowers. I think this, it was for my daughter who bought, I think the boyfriend delivered these flowers yesterday for my daughter, you know. You can see, hey, these kids are in love, you know, it's so nice. You know, such a beautiful place. You know, as you can see here, you know, this is their bed, they sleep here comfortably. You know, this is their small kitchen where they cook and so forth. Such a beautiful place. Nice, small, small fridge, and they've got their own, here's the mirror, but, you know, it's a bathroom there. You see, there's a bathroom. My daughter's actually in a bathroom. So it's such a beautiful place. They've got, you can swim, you can relax, you know. Such a beautiful place. You know, so it is a carpet, you can close. This is a mirror. It's a mirror. You can close the door. It's a mirror. You can close. You can open. Can open as well, you know. As you can see, I'm closing. I'm opening, all right? I'm closing and I'm opening, all right? They've got such a beautiful place, you know. Yeah, so it's not a bad place. Such a good. And it's very cheap, you know, very cheap. You spend something like 2,000 rand, you know, per week, 7 days, 2,500 rand. You know, it's a small amount of money, about 5,000 baht, for 7 days. So you can spend a lot of time and relax here. Such a beautiful place. So my daughter is done. As you can see, she was busy. She's done. Are you done?
Yeah, I'm done.
Are you done, my babe? You ready? Are you going? Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you going? You ready? You going? I see. Okay, I see, my baby. Okay, let's go. Let's go, guys, quickly. Let's go get some water. Yeah, we're going to get some water because here you can't drink water here. You know, in Bangkok water is not drinkable. So here there's shower. But ours doesn't have this. Our shower doesn't have this. It's just open. You just bath without this thing. Yeah, but it's okay. They're taking care of their apartment. It's nice. And they've got such a beautiful This mirror, we don't have it. Do you have it?
I think you do it just a
Do you have it? You have this mirror. Okay.
You do.
Okay. All right. Right, let's go, babe.
I'm done, Mom.
Okay, let's go, guys. Okay, my boy, I'll bring some chips for you, ne?
Cheese one, don't forget.
All right. So this is the passage, guys. The passage. In all this place, all rooms, and all rooms, and yeah, you go to the lifts. These are lifts. We go down now. Hey, there's a lot of smokes. All right, now we're going out. We're going out. Why are we on this? Why are we not on the 5th floor?
We're on the 1st floor.
Okay, so we're going out, guys. We're going out. We're going out. So, guys, here we're outside. This is the boom gate. When you enter here, the boom gate, go in this side. We used to stay that side, right? So when you go out of here, we're going out. This is the bridge, guys. It's a highway. Actually, there's cars passing on top here. Right. So we're going out. I want to show you some places that, you know, people don't show you on YouTube, and some places. This is another side of Bangkok, guys. They don't show you. Yeah, that one is nice, eh? I'll buy that one. See. So guys, I want to show you something. This is another place where we are. We walk here. We're going to 7-Eleven. We walk here, guys. We're going to 7-Eleven. You know, it's a very awkward place. Very awkward place. So we walk here. We're going to 7-Eleven. We're going to 7-Eleven. You know, these places, these people that are selling, they stay in these places. You know, that's how they live their lives. See, it's an empty land and so forth. Stay with us. I'll show you some more. So as you can see, guys, we're now walking. This is how these people live their lives. This is a side of Bangkok, guys. They live like this. You know, this is in a low-class area, right? But people here are trying their best to survive. They sell. They do a lot of things, right? They've got street food as well. There's a lot of things they do. So you can see there. They are selling there. See, that's another place. There's a shop also. And these people here. And we are actually heading to 7-Eleven. This is their 7-Eleven. Right, you can buy food here. This is their shop where you buy things, you buy food. So we have to walk that distance, guys, to come to this place where we can, we have to buy some things. There's ice cream here.
Can I?
Yeah, you can. There's ice cream here as well. And Magnum, ne? Magnum, yeah.
It's
Magnum, yeah. Right. This is their shop. There's a lot of things you can buy. A lot of things. You can buy food. You can buy whatever you want. If you are in a hotel, you can buy whatever you want. There's water. I need to buy water, guys, because at the hotel we don't have even this oil. We don't have cooking oil. We need to buy one. There's one for 44. This is 44, which is 20 rand. It's 20 rand. It's 20 rand in our money. Yeah, that's how it is, right? And I want to buy some water as well. Water. I need to buy such a big one. This one. If I can buy that one, that will be much better, you know. Or we can buy 5 liter. Buy 2 5 liters. Right. So they've got everything. They've got rice. They don't have mini meal, guys. No mini meal, but there's rice. There's everything, guys. So I will keep on keeping you guys updated. They've got coffee machines. You can come and make yourself coffee. There's a lot of things to eat. These are the things you can eat. There's food you can buy. You can buy a lot of things. There's food as well to take. You can buy a lot of things, right? So that's how